get this one done.
Yeah, how are you on the other side?
I think that should be helping.
Yeah, but, okay. Here you go. Here's a hammer right here. Okay, it's a nice wedge. Yeah, you think now if you come up from the bottom right there? Oh yeah. I'm getting back. Gonna be soon. I think it's close. I hear it creaking.
Yep.
It's still creaking. Watch it. Yeah, don't get your hand pinched. No, they might have been deader batteries. Let's put fresh batteries in. Oh no, it says 2. Let's change them. Okay, new replace the batteries. Oh yeah.
It's up here. Somewhere right here. Below the cut.
Yeah, it's just at the wrong spot, isn't it? What about the bite on the other side? Is the bite as far down on the other side because we can't see it? Maybe just walk around and see. I don't even want to stand there because that guy rolls. Is the bite good?
Yeah, the bite is all the way up here.
Oh yeah, okay.
It's all the way up here.
Yeah. Well then I don't know why it didn't go.
Oh, that's what I was running from.
You know what? I think it's being supported. Yeah, it's being supported. It's really there. It already fell.
Yeah.
So maybe a cut here. Yeah. Yeah. I think a cut. Remember, it's resting on this log here, right? I think if you cut it here, that might roll out that way, and then you'd have this. They'd be of similar weight. I don't know what kind of wood that is, do we? I'm hoping it'll fall that way, but the other log there might be stopping it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But we'll see. I don't know. Maybe make a little cut underneath. Oh, so it's closing on the bottom.
Yeah.
Because the gap on the bottom is closing up. Oh, okay.